disarmament that I've been wearing.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about a very interesting mobile application which may possible most of my viewers are already aware about it, but people like me who are newly familiar with this particular application, I thought to share with my viewers so that they can also enjoy or can use this particular application. So it's very interesting on and how it works, how we can activate. We will talk about it later. Before that, I want to tell you exact how it works and when it is going to be beneficial for us. Friends, yeah, this very particular application very interesting, useful, especially when we watches English content like English videos, English music, English movies in YouTube, but unfortunately due to language barrier we are not able to understand what exactly the actors in the movie says. For instance, we can't easily get connected with the style of speaking as all says English their own native style, and many times becomes difficult to know what exactly they are saying. In another way, take an example, Bengalis, Tamils, even North Indians no doubt speaks English fluently, but as they speak English in their own respective slangs, respective styles, so it becomes difficult to understand what they are saying. So what is the solution? Especially when content of particular video which you are watching on YouTube you don't want to miss, but due to language problem it is becoming hurdle for you to understand. So one very interesting application has been introduced or made on Android mobiles. May possible is available for some particular mobiles, but yes, what is that particular application we are going to discuss in this particular video. One more example before proceeding further, I would like to convey you that you must have seen English movies earlier where subtitles being run in the screen of the movie, so we easily get understand from subtitles wordings what is going on when we are not able to understand what actors were saying or are saying in that particular English movie. So with the help of subtitles we can easily understand. So same application named Live Caption has been introduced in many mobiles, and by activating this feature we can easily run subtitles in English videos which is you are seeing on YouTube channel. The feature at present is available only in English, but soon it is going to be available in another languages also, including Hindi. So not wasting time, let's try to understand how we can activate this feature and how it works. But before proceeding further, it is my humble request or appeal, please, if you like content of this particular video, then please don't hesitate to share this particular video with your friends, with your near and dear, so that they can also have an idea of this particular feature which is available on Android mobiles. So let's start. Very easy. You have to go to settings. In settings, in search box, you have to just type system. Okay, now here is the system, you just click it. Now after going in system, inside system, click on accessibility. Now here you will find one option somewhat here in middle which is live caption. Just click it and now you can activate this very particular feature from here. Okay, another method is that this particular option is also available in the volume bar of your mobile. So just click your mobile volume bar of your mobile and you find at the below section is a small square. It is at present cut, means this particular application is not activated. So just click on it. Let me again just click on it. So now this particular application is now available, ready to work. So you can open now, just to check it, just open YouTube and write some English lecture. What I mean to say, you just you need to this particular application is going to work only in English YouTube videos. So here I clicked English video. Okay.
Once I'd said yes, we stayed up until 8:30 in the morning FaceTiming our families and friends. Then, the wedding planning essentially began. At first, we thought about getting married the following year, sometime in 2019. But in August, when Nick was visiting India again, he said he didn't want to wait. Neither did I. We knew we were ready, and our families knew we were ready. Why wait, we thought. Let's just do it. When you know, you know. And so we did.
So what exactly I mean to explain you that this very live caption is will start working like subtitles below the screen of this particular video. Now if suppose you are not able to understand what exactly this very character or this very actor is saying, so with the help of subtitles which is available on live caption, you will come to know easily that okay, she's trying to say this one thing, so you can understand. So you can play this very live caption in your videos, in your music, or any content which is though available in English but is in different style of saying. So that's my mean to say. So you can try this very particular feature, but yes, it is may possible available in few mobiles, you can say though in few advanced mobile, but if it is available you can try. And if you like this particular content, please don't forget to share with your friends near and dear. Thank you very much. Bye.